Ground levels and drainage. A detail you should check before building. Your plot may have the right shape and direction, but what happens to rainwater when it rains? This is one of the most overlooked aspects of site planning. In traditional Vastu, the relation and relative levels of the land and the building are important considerations. But there is also a very practical reason to study levels carefully. Water flows, gravity. If your site has poorly planned levels, rainwater can collect near the building, move towards entrance, or create persistent damp areas, and that can eventually affect your walls, your floorings, foundations, landscaping, and maintenance. This is why I don't recommend looking at Vastu levels as simply here it is high, here it's low. No, first understand actual site. Where is the road level? Where is the highest point? Where is the lowest point? Where will rainwater naturally travel? And where is the planned discharge point? Traditional Vastu gives importance to the relationship between level, slope, and the site. But a good designer must also make sure the drainage system is safe, controlled, and practical. And here's a very important distinction. The plot slope and the finished floor level are not the same thing. You can modify levels during construction through grading, filling, retaining structures, and proper plinth planning. But these decisions should be made technically, not casually. So before you build, don't just ask, is my plot Vastu compliant? Ask how. And have I understood how water will move through my site? Because good Vastu planning should never ignore good building practice. Understand the level, control the water, then design the home. So, in my next episode, we will move from the site to the building itself, the main entrance, and why its exact placement matters beyond simply saying north, south, east, and west. I am Sunita Pandit, designing spaces, aligning energies.